What is up, YouTube? This is an update on my 1941 Black Crackle. You saw the insert back when it was shiny. This is the insert now. I mean, look at that. Honestly, I'm amazed at how well this cheap ass fucking spray paint that I purchased was. However, the Black Crackle that I used on the bottom of my actual Zippo, I spent a little bit more money on just because I wanted something that would stick to the bottom of the Zippo after hitting it with quadruple-aught steel wool, and not something that would just flake off. And I have tested it. I only had it like dry like 10 minutes and I started messing around with it a little bit, and it does flake off, unfortunately. So my plan is, and I want to hear what you guys think in the comments, if this is a good idea. This is satin clear spray paint. This is the stuff that I put on the bottom. Now I have tape all the way around to where it was only just a little bit more than just the chrome bottom was showing on my Black Crackle. What I plan to do is take the tape off, move the tape down about another millimeter or a few millimeters, maybe around there, and then hit it with the satin clear in order to just seal everything on there, because this stuff, in reality, it is Black Crackle paint. However, it's like you get little bits off of on your fingers over time, and I'm thinking once it dries after about an hour later tonight, I'm gonna come outside, shake this up, test it on a piece of wood first to make sure it works, and apply that on the bottom. And this is the cheap ass paint that I used on the insert. I've already flipped it over because primer dries pretty damn fast, and honestly, I mean, the insert is more what I'm amazed about even than this, even though this turned out way better than I thought it would. But I mean other than not having all the stamping right down there, I mean, this looks pretty much like a World War II insert that would actually go on one of these Zippos. So I am very happy that I will have a insert that looks more authentic now, and I want you guys to let me know in the comments what you think about putting this over this. I'm thinking about it. They're both made by the same company. As you can see, this is just some stuff like that does have a Black Crackle effect. So that's what I've been using, and I'm leaning more towards applying that onto the bottom area in order to just seal it on there, so it's not just gonna, slowly flake off in my pocket and make a mess over time. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments, because this is honestly, I honestly want to know whether you think I should put the satin clear on it to seal it up or not.